Welcome back, friends. Today we're making something incredibly special, Chinese fried rice. But we're doing it a little differently. This is my unique no-fry method that results in an unbelievably flavorful and delicious one-pot meal. It's moist, it's packed with taste, and I promise you, it's a game changer. So let's get started. First, take a large pot or a deep wok. Pour in 1 cup of cooking oil. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. Give it a good mix and let the aroma start to bloom on medium heat. Now, add 1 large onion, finely chopped. Mix it well with the garlic. We don't want to brown it too much, so almost immediately we'll add our boneless chicken. I'm using chicken leg pieces for more flavor, but you can use chicken breast if you prefer. By the way, friends, I'd love to know where in the world you're watching from. Drop a comment below telling me your city and country. It always makes me so happy to connect with you all. Next, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green chilies. Give everything another good mix. The spice mix time for our seasonings. Add salt, about ½ tablespoon, or adjust to your taste. With 1 tablespoon of crushed white pepper. This is key for that authentic Chinese restaurant warmth. Then add 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seeds. Mix everything thoroughly and beautifully. Keep the flame on low to medium so these spices toast gently without burning. The saucy simmer now for the liquid ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it in and just look at that incredible color coming through. Now, pour in 1 full glass of water. Give it a final stir, cover the pot, and let it simmer on low to medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the chicken to become perfectly tender and absorb all those amazing flavors. Beautiful. Our chicken is perfectly cooked and you can see the oil has separated. Take 1 large capsicum, bell pepper, and cut it into long, thin strips. Add that to the pot, follow with 1 to 2 tomatoes, chopped. And finally, add about ½ a medium cabbage, thinly sliced. Mix all these vibrant veggies into the rich chicken gravy. Cover it again and let it cook for just 5 more minutes. We want the veggies tender crisp. And now, the main event, it's rice time. Add your pre-boiled rice to the pot. I'm adding a generous amount. Gently fold and mix everything together, coating every grain of rice with that luxurious, fragrant gravy. For a final pop of color and freshness, sprinkle some finely chopped green onions, spring onions, on top. Just look at that. The color is absolutely stunning. Our incredibly flavorful Chinese fried rice is ready. You have to try this. Make it for yourself, share it with your family, and let me know how it turns out.